Okay, so next we're going to be making 10 to add within 100. So we're going to use this first example, 39 plus 4. Now you've already had a lot of practice with making 10, so that's going to come in handy here. So first I see 39 plus 4. The first thing I can do is draw 3 10s and 9 1s. Now I see I have 4 more, so I'm going to count plus 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm coloring them this color so that I know that it's a different add-in that I'm drawing. Now I see I have 40 and 3. That's the same as if I wanted to decompose my second add-in. So I can say I have 39. How many do I need to get to my next 10? Well, I know that my next 10 is 40 and I need one more to get to 40, so I can put a 1 right here. Now I have 3 left over, so I'm going to put a 3 right there. 39 and 1 makes 40. 40 and 3 makes 43. Let's do another one. I'm going to go slower, and you're going to help me with this next one, okay? So this time, let's do 79 plus 5. First, let's think. What's our next 10 that we're trying to get to from 79? That's right, it's 80. And if I have 79, how many more do I need to get to 80? I need 1 more. So if I am adding 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I've got my 1 right here, what's my other little part? That's right, 4. So this turns into, see, this is making my next 10. This turns into 80 plus 4, which is the same as 84. So now I can see that 79 plus 5 is the same as 80 plus 4. Now I'm going to give you a lot of different problems like this. You can either draw it out, or if you want to think like a real second grader, you can draw these lines right here, and that's going to help your thinking. For the first few questions, I'll have the lines already ready for you to draw in. Then after that, the lines are going to go away. And that's how it's going to look on your exit ticket and on your questions for your quizzes this week. Have fun!